So, welcome to our 356 Porsche project that we found on Facebook Marketplace early January or mid-January. Right-hand drive, 1963 356B. It's come with the badges Super 90. It was last on the road in 1980. It had an engine rebuild in 1977. It was impounded in 1976 by the police in London and had to be recovered. Also, I'm sure it would have been crushed. And this is what we're working on at the moment. Ultra rare right-hand drive. You just do not come across them. Loads of left-hand drive ones, but just love it. All we saw in the photograph was that bit of the bonnet and a bit of the windscreen, nothing else. No sides, no wings, no boot, no engine lid, I should say, no deck lid. Nothing at all, no interior, we couldn't see anything. And I bought it blind just because I thought if I didn't buy it, somebody else would get it. It would be so snapped up so quickly. So this is what's keeping us busy over the winter nights and over the weekends. We're going to try and get a oily rag up and running. She is running, we've started her. We're not going to do anything at all to the exterior, nothing at all. All these bubbles, all the rust spots are going to stay. Any holes that are in the body on the outside, upper side, are going to stay. We're going to refit new floors, new longitudinals. What else? Anything that we think it may need safety wise. We've got new master cylinder coming, new brake pipes we're going to make, and we're just going to run it oily rag. It'll be there for the next generation to decide whether they want to restore it. I just haven't got time. I haven't got enough time in my life to restore all the cars that I want to restore. We've got some vintage Bentleys that we want to get up and running and oily rag run them. So just keep watching the YouTube, like and subscribe, as they say. I've got about 3,000 videos on there, but I never say like and subscribe. And just see how we get on. You'll probably see us at a few shows, a few meetings if we can get out, if we're not doing Bentley Drivers Club meetings. But yeah, just comment, tell us what you think we're doing right or wrong, give us some tips. No matter how long we've been restoring cars, we still need advice sometimes. If you've got any parts available, or if you know to one of these that's sat in a barn that needs rediscovering, that needs revealing, anything, Bentleys, Rolls Royces, Porsches, Lamborghinis, old Austins, anything, drop me a line. Have fun watching what we do. If you want us to video anything else, we'll get some footage and we'll upload it. The date is, I never know what the date is, 30th of January, 31st of January. 2024.